Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are joining us for the first time, welcome. My name is Jenifer. I post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here 3 times a week. So if you're into that type of content, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button, and you want to make sure you hit the bell notification so that way you are notified every single time I upload. I thought I would bring another fall look to you guys. I know fall is quickly approaching and I am so ready for it. I am over the heat and the humidity and I'm just ready for cold, cool weather. So I thought I would bring this really fun orangey brown look to you guys. Before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to start out with my Louise base in Rumour 1. I really love this base because not only does it intensify the colors of your shadows, but for me, somebody who has oily eyelids, it makes your shadows last all day and all night. So I love this base. So I'm just going to apply this from my lash line almost all the way up to my brow. Okay, so to start with my crease, I'm going to dip into my One Size Beauty Visionary palette, and I'm going to start with the shade Soft Serve, which is this one right here. And if you guys don't have this palette, then I would just start with a medium to light brown shade. You want it maybe about 3 to 4 shades darker than your skin tone, but you don't want something too dark. This is just going to be your guide as you start to develop your eye look. And I have hooded eyes, so I'm going to take this color right above my natural crease. If you don't have hooded eyes, then you can apply this color right into your crease. Okay, so then to intensify the crease a little bit, I'm going to dip into the shade Brownie. Like I said, if you don't have this palette, then just choose colors that are very similar. So this would be a very dark chocolatey brown. And I'm going to apply this in my crease and then slightly above, and I'm going to drag it just on the outer corner underneath my lash line as well, just to start building or creating that cat eye effect. Okay, so then I'm going to switch to my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to dip into the shade Feelin' Myself, which is this kind of orangey shade right here. And it's kind of like a medium orange. I would say it's a slightly on the neon side, but it's for the most part orange. And if you're still a beginner, don't stress if your eyes aren't looking perfect. In my opinion, eye looks never really come together. They kind of look like a hot mess until you pop on liner, lashes, mascara, the works. So don't worry. And I'm just going to put this in my crease and slightly above. What I'm going to do, because I have hooded eyes and I like my lid color to be shown, I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm going to then put Flawed and Odd, which is this really pretty shimmery orangey yellow color, on my lid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip into my Soft Serve shade, which was the very first shade that we used. It was the light brown color. And I'm just going to drag that underneath my eyes. And I'm not going to take it to the inner corner. I'm going to basically take it to where the color of my eye starts, because then the rest of the way I'm going to put a highlight shade there. Next up, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to lightly blend out the outer edge. If you'd like, you can dip into a little bit of that light brown shade just to help blend it out. I'm going to take the orange, which was the Feelin' Myself color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to stamp that color right along my lower lash line. And I'm using just kind of a flat, stiff square brush to do that. Guys, so now that the eyes are basically done as far as shadows, what I'm going to do is I am going to apply my Essence Extreme Lasting Pencil, and I'm going to apply that in the waterline. So I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do my winged liner with my favorite Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner. Like I've mentioned in a million of my videos, for $3.99 or $4.99, this is my all-time favorite liner for doing winged liner. I cannot do winged liner without it. And then today I'm going to use my YSL mascara, and then I'm going to pop on my Farrah number 12 Huda Beauty lashes, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, so I am back. And next up, I'm going to do my highlight, and I'm going to take the Ofra Cosmetics Star Island highlighter. Looks like this, got a gold shimmer in it. It's kind of like a champagne-y color. So I'm going to spray my favorite highlight brush. I'm going to switch to a smaller pencil brush, and I'm going to dip into my highlight, and I'm just going to pop a little bit in the inner corner. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to just highlight my brow bone. Okay, so then for lips, I'm going to take my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Maison. So it's just a chocolate brown. Next up for lipstick, I'm going to take the Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Toast. So pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very fall look. I cannot wait for fall to arrive. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys.